Yo, what's up? It's your boy DJ Camelot, and we're here today at Planta in Atlanta, Midtown, Cross Street. We about to eat some good vegan food. This for my vegans out there. You know, I feel like they don't do enough vegan testing and vegan reviews, so we're gonna give you one. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm all about fitness and everything like that, and veganism was one of the things that I took on. I mean, it's not necessary, but it's just something I wanted to do because you know I like to push the edge. So we about to go up there today and go see what this food looking like. Let's go. So we at Planta, finna eat some good vegan food. They got good scenery, good aesthetics. Everything looking amazing so far. So let me tell y'all, yo, some of the menu going crazy. They got the bang bang broccoli. It just sounds good. I like anything that say bang bang. 1,000-head crispy potatoes, caviar, sour cream chives, all plant-based. Remember, vegan. So it's not really fully loaded nachos, guacamole, pico de gallo, black beans, queso, cilantro. The vegan way, they got the street corn ribs. You know the corn ribs that you be seeing on YouTube and TikTok? They got them. They got all kinds of stuff. I ain't gonna lie, this is a very nice looking menu. It's extensive. It's an extensive menu. It's great. And it's different. It's not like the same little vegan dishes you be seeing all the time. They got vegan sushi. Spicy tuna tacos. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it looks great. So, you know, we about to get some. We're gonna get a nice little leg and we gonna dig in and play. You feel me? You know your boy DJ Camelot like to eat because we not gonna hit the gym and where you at. Alright, so I just ordered a drink. I ordered the goddamn charcoal bourbon sour. And then bourbon lemon activated charcoal. About to see what that's about. I ain't never drink charcoal. I only ate it. Oh no, I didn't. Well, cook with it. And then for the appetizer, we got the bio slider, which is chicken fried mushrooms, hoisin sauce, and pickled cucumbers, with a caviar crunch roll, which is crispy mushrooms, lettuce, avocado, and yanagi. Pause. I don't know what it means. You did. What's unagi?
It's like a sweet sauce.
Okay.
Have you ever had that?
I'm sold. That's all I had to hear right there.
It's similar to that.
That's all I had to hear.
Right. It's very, very similar.
It's an unagi. It's a sweet sauce that's like the fake eel sauce. It's the vegan version of eel sauce. I don't want no eel. I don't want no eel back in my eel back. They make eel sauce out of eel backs.
Eel backs.
They don't peel the back off and then just throw it in there. Eel backs. That's how they make eel sauce. You gotta see how they make gummy bears. They be taking all these dead carcass, put it in this pot and boil up the like stuff, and then all the stuff will boil up the liquid and they turn it. It's crazy. It's nasty. It's disgusting. That's what I'm saying. It's disgusting. Turn me off. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you now, the drinks is amazing. Tastes great. But if you try and get drunk, this ain't it. Not if you try and like really get lit. This whole cup was $15. But it's amazing. It tastes like heaven in a cup. I'm drinking charcoal for the record. But I guess it's good because I guess it's vegan and healthy, so they don't want you to get too drunk anyway. I don't know. But I won't be buying drinks again. I will not be. And this is the charcoal bourbon sour. Definitely bourbon and sour. Big caviar on that schwack. I never had caviar though, so this is my first time having caviar. It's vegan.
It's crazy.
This joint's slapping. I can eat this shit every day. can eat this every day. I can eat this once a week to start. I'm stealing recipes. God damn, I'm gonna slaptastic. I'm mad I only got one plate of that now. I might need to turn in the burger for more sushi. Vegan sushi at that. Plant-based, baby. Plant-based, baby. Plant-based. Alright, so street cornbread.
That's the noise. It's not getting ready.
Good corn. Put the thyme on there. ASMR. Cornbread and butter. I can eat 50 of them, but it's all good. You know I eat a lot. We go to the gym and pump weights. You feel me? You know how we do. We eat and pump weights. It's the lifestyle. Lift weights and eat. Eat and lift some more weights. You know, we trying to lift cars. I'm trying to lift a bus before my lifetime. I want to lift a bus. I might not ever do it, but I'll work out until I can. I want to hold a submarine over my head, like. I'm very ambitious. Y'all want to see the finger lick? I know that's dangerous. I know. This is my version of eating crabs. So street corn is my version of eating crabs now. It's a lot of work. But so next is chicken and waffles. You can see, but it's chicken and fried mushroom. It's like the steam cookie.
We okay?
We got a lot of mixes on the flavors and things.
Just deal. Just deal.
It's like a spicy dinner or sweet. Let me get it with the mushroom and the waffle together. Cornbread waffle. We eat a mushroom by itself. Perfectly fried. This is it. My bad. It wasn't much of a thing. Now I'm out of the burger. Let's see what them motherfuckers get. The fries is good. The truffle fries is crazy. Bang. Smack the nation. That's a good burger. Some good burgers though. That's him. That's him. That's him. Truffle fries, crazy. The burger, crazy. You going crazy. No. My taste test the cheesecake. Tastes good. Oh wow. Vegan cheesecake. I never heard of it.
Hey, yo.
You got some ASMR. Yeah. Well, that wraps up Planta, y'all. From appetizer to sushi, to cheesecake, great service, great food, great alcohol. Little alcohol, but it's all good. They're vegan, they want to keep you healthy and keep you safe. I understand. I can appreciate that.
This is what you do.
The cheesecake. I want to introduce y'all to my good, great service. She was amazing today. When y'all come in, ask for her. Can you tell me
My
that?
name is Yasmin Yam.
You want to tell me your IG or something like that?
Baby Yam.
Y'all come in, ask for her, and come tip her good, y'all. Come tip her good. So, Planta was pretty good. Everything was good. Trying to think. The chicken and waffles was kind of funky. I mean, it was good, but it was like too much. It was like, it just didn't need all that stuff in there. Like, I just didn't agree with all the flavors. It was just the mushroom and waffles would have been good, but it had chives all in it and corn and dill and all this stuff mixed in the batter. Like, and then they put syrup on there, like without giving you an option. So if you go in there and get the chicken and waffles, first tell them put your syrup on the side, just in case they're trying to make your thing all, you know what I'm saying? And then also, watch out for the spice, because they got Thai chili peppers on there too. So yeah, the chicken waffle was just all over the place. That was the only thing that was kind of suspect. I gave it like a 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10. I'm thinking of taking it down to a 4 out of 10. Now that I'm talking about it, I got to bring it down to a 4. That wasn't really it. But besides that, everything was good. And even that, even though it was like nasty, it was good. Because the flavors was good, just too many flavors. Like, I'm eating a sweet waffle, but yet I'm getting a kickback of a green onion, a chive, and dill, and all that. And no, that's not the after flavor I'm looking for with that. And then a Thai chili pepper kicked in out of nowhere, you know what I'm saying? So, no. But the sushi, woo! I don't know how they did it. It was amazing. They even had the little watermelon sushi, the little spicy tuna roll, and they cut the thin watermelon and make it look like tuna fish. Woo! It was good. What I had, a burger, good. Burger was A1 with the truffle fries. Yeah, they did that shorty. Then I had something else. What else here? Key lime cheesecake. Key lime cheesecake was pretty good. It was good. I think it could be better. It was kind of funky flavor. It was something in there that was just funky to me. That's why I kept eating it. It's like it's good, but then it's funky. Whatever they put in there to just give it the cheesecake or just the sourness or I guess cream cheese, made it funky. So it was kind of funky tasting, but other than that, it was pretty good. It was different. Vegan cheesecake, something I've been waiting to taste. But by far, out of everything in there that I just ate, the sushi. I will be back for sushi. I will not buy no more drinks because that drinks is not worth it. It's too expensive for that little bit of drinks. And you know, I'm about quantity more than quality. It was quality, don't get me wrong, it was good. But I'd rather get me a fat Junky cup for $20 than a little cup of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm drinking, we drinking this drink. Like, I'm not trying to be cute with the drink. Who wants to be cute? You drinking the drink and get nice, not waste money and be like, the experience. No, I'm drinking the drink. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's the only thing I'm gonna recommend for y'all. But let me tell you, Planta, I give it a strong 8.5 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10. The only reason I didn't give it a 9 is because the expensive drinks and that crazy waffle. That's it. And not the expensive drinks, because the drinks is good. Mine is expensive, but it's expensive and little. It's little too. So, like, and then that waffle, nah. You lose 5 points. But other than that y'all got me sold. You know how long I've been waiting to eat sushi as a vegan? So, yeah. That's my experience. Hope y'all tune in again. It's your boy DJ Camelot with the Sex and Fitness Podcast, and we out.